Hi, we'll be solving probability problem today. So when two fair dice are rolled, what is the probability that at least one of the numbers will be even? So two fair dice are rolled, so we'll get two cases. Now the question is asking what is the probability that at least one of these numbers will be even? Now there are multiple ways of solving this problem, but the easiest way to solve this is to use a concept which is probability of at least one is equal to 1 minus probability of none. That means if you have to find probability that at least one is even, then we'll find 1 minus probability that you have zero even numbers. That means 1 minus probability of getting only odd numbers in both the dices. Now, when we are rolling a fair dice, we have 6 cases. So you can get numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, 3 of these cases are the cases where you have odd numbers. Since you are rolling two dices, so probability of getting both of them as odd is equal to probability of getting odd in the first one multiplied by probability of getting odd in the second one. So in the first case, we have 6 possibilities and 3 of them are odd. So probability of getting an odd number will be 3 by 6. And similarly, in the second dice also probability will be 3 by 6. So you'll have 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 such cases where you'll have probability of getting odd on both the dices. So that means probability of getting at least one even number is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 or is also equal to 3 by 4. So answer will be option number E. Now let's solve the problem using a second method. So when we are rolling the dice two times, there are 4 cases. Either both are odd, one is odd, other is even, one is even, other is odd, or both are even. And probability of all of this happening is actually same. So probability of getting at least one even number will be this case is true, this case is true, and this case is true. So probability of getting at least one even will be nothing but equal to 3 divided by 4, which is nothing but option number E. Now, if you want to master how to find probability of rolling a dice, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I talk about all these concepts in a lot of detail. Hope you found this video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.